Inconsistent coffee grounds ruin flavor, turning a premium roast into a bitter disappointment. The only solution is precision burr grinding that unlocks the rich, balanced notes you deserve. This analysis compares 5 elite coffee grinders for every brew method. Watch until the end to discover the definitive tool that will revolutionize your morning cup. All product links for current pricing are in the description. Number 5. Pre-ground coffee loses freshness almost instantly, resulting in a flat, uninspired brew. The OXO Brew Conical Burr grinder restores flavor depth by delivering precision-cut beans seconds before brewing. This compact stainless steel unit fits easily under kitchen cabinets, blending modern aesthetics with practical engineering. A UV-blocking hopper shields up to 12 ounces of beans from sunlight, while a specialized trap door prevents messy spills when removing the container. 15 grind settings with micro-adjustments enable perfect customization, from fine espresso to coarse French press. The high-torque DC motor operates without overheating, preserving essential coffee oils. A static-fighting stainless steel catchpan ensures grounds pour cleanly into filters without clinging mess. While versatile, the 15-step settings may lack the extreme precision required for professional-grade espresso dialing compared to stepless grinders. This is the definitive choice for home brewers seeking consistent, mess-free grinding that significantly elevates daily coffee quality. Number 4. Inconsistent grind size ruins espresso extraction, creating a sour or bitter shot. The Neretva 2-in-1 professional espresso grinder solves this by delivering precise, uniform grounds directly into the portafilter for barista-quality results. This stainless steel unit features a compact footprint optimized for home espresso bars. Its innovative 20-degree angled powder outlet minimizes retention, while the specialized holder accommodates 51 to 58 mm portafilters for mess-free dosing. 30 precise grind settings allow customization from fine espresso to coarse French press. The upgraded stainless steel conical burrs maintain minimal fines for optimal flavor clarity. An integrated plasma generator neutralizes static, preventing clumping and ensuring grounds flow smoothly without clinging to the chute. The machine cannot achieve the ultra-fine grind required for Turkish coffee, and the limited hopper capacity of 6 ounces necessitates frequent refilling for high-volume brewing. This is the definitive upgrade for espresso enthusiasts seeking professional precision and static-free dosing. Number 3. Manual grinding is tedious, and generic blade grinders often overheat beans, destroying flavor. The Hamilton Beach Custom Grind electric grinder offers a hands-free solution with automated shutoff, ensuring consistent texture without constant supervision. This compact stainless steel unit features a removable grinding bowl designed for easy filling and pouring. Its 4-inch footprint saves valuable counter space while handling everything from coffee beans to tough spices. An adjustable ring selects grind size and cup quantity, stopping automatically upon completion. The hands-free operation grinds enough for 14 cups while you multitask. The dishwasher-safe stainless steel bowl simplifies cleanup, removing stale oils. As a blade grinder, it lacks the particle uniformity of Burr models, potentially resulting in uneven extraction for espresso. This is ideal for users prioritizing versatility and ease of cleaning over professional espresso precision. Number 2. Blade grinders shatter beans unevenly, leading to an unpredictable brew. The Cuisinart Supreme Grind Automatic Burr Mill solves this with 18 precise grind settings, ensuring uniform extraction for everything from fine espresso to coarse French press. This heavy-duty stainless steel unit combines professional aesthetics with practical cord storage to maximize counter space. The 8-ounce bean hopper and grind chamber are fully removable, simplifying the cleaning process and preventing stale oil buildup. An 18-position slide dial allows exact customization, while the cup selector automatically grinds the correct amount for 4 to 18 cups before shutting off. The flat burr system produces consistent particle size, significantly improving flavor clarity. The flat burr mechanism generates more noise than conical designs, and static buildup can occasionally cause grounds to cling to the plastic chamber walls. This is the definitive upgrade for daily coffee drinkers seeking automated consistency and large batch capacity at a reasonable price point. Number 1. Dialing in the perfect espresso shot requires a precision that standard grinders cannot match. The Breville Smart Grinder Pro eliminates guesswork with 60 programmable settings and dosing IQ technology for barista-level control. This premium brushed stainless steel unit is engineered for versatility, allowing you to grind directly into portafilters, airtight containers, or filter baskets. The concise LCD display clearly visualizes grind time, size, and shot count for instant adjustments. 60 intuitive settings cover every brew method, from fine espresso to coarse French press. Precision digital timing adjusts doses in 0.2-second increments, ensuring exact extraction every time. Included portafilter cradles, 50 to 54 mm and 58 mm, make espresso preparation seamless and mess-free. While highly advanced, the extensive customization options may overwhelm beginners seeking a simple, push-and-go experience. This is the ultimate choice for serious coffee enthusiasts demanding total control over grind consistency and dosing precision across multiple brewing methods. Which one should you buy? Here is the breakdown. For maximum precision and espresso lovers, number 1, the Breville Smart Grinder Pro, is the superior choice. Its 60 settings and dosing IQ technology offer the exact micro-adjustments needed for pulling perfect espresso shots and exploring various brew methods. For home espresso enthusiasts on a budget, number 4, the Neretva 2-in-1 grinder, is the logical pick. It delivers professional dosing directly into the portafilter and includes anti-static technology at a more accessible price point than premium models. For daily drip coffee consistency, number 5, the OXO Brew Conical Burr grinder, is highly recommended. Its 15-stepped settings and mess-free design provide the reliability and flavor clarity needed for an excellent daily cup. For large batch brewing, number 2, the Cuisinart Supreme Grind, is the most practical selection. With an 18-cup capacity and automated shutoff, it handles high-volume grinding efficiently for families or offices. For occasional use and easy cleaning, number 3, the Hamilton Beach Custom Grind, is the best value. Its removable, dishwasher-safe bowl makes it perfect for users who grind spices as often as coffee and prioritize simple maintenance over Burr precision. Check the links in the description for the latest pricing on all models. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.